Hello friends, I hope you are doing well in Python. I hope this video tutorial series is helping you to understand the Python programming concepts. And I have already covered the core Python, all the topics as you can see in the video tutorial series. I have started from the very basics, that is Python introduction to Python installation in different ways to execute the Python programs by using ideally and by using the Eclipse and by using the PyCharm, and gradually we have reached at the file handling, and in file handling I have covered so many things. I hope all the concepts, all the points are clear to all of you and you are doing well in Python. Now if you are learning something from this tutorial series, so I need your help and I need your support to make this channel large, and you can do there are so many ways to support this channel. You can do a very basic thing, that you can like the videos and you can share the videos with your friends, and you can share the videos on different platforms like YouTube and WhatsApp. And another way by which you can support by paying some amount to this channel, and the amount that you will pay will be yours. You can pay any amount. This is not restricted that you should pay this number of the amount. So you can pay the amount by using the PayPal, and this is the PayPal ID, paypal.me/daneyallari, and you can go to my website, that is provisapp.in/channel_support, and you will find all the options that you can use to support this channel by using PayUMoney, by using PayPal, by using Google Pay. So I will give you all the links in the description box. So basically I need your support to make the new videos. Core Python has been finished, and after that I will create a new videos on Python object-oriented programming concepts, and after that I'll make the videos on data structure using the Python programming, and then further we'll move to the next AI and all the things. So thank you for watching this video series. Thank you for watching from my channel. So thank you for your support. Thank you. Bye bye.